am Markel and I'm going to show you some of my favorite photos. Koska is a dog. It is border collie. It has got black and white hair. It doesn't bite. It is friendly. My friend. In this photo, my friend is doing parkour. He is very good at parkour. And he is very sporty. He is 10 years old. He is funny and kind. My brother in Portaventura. In this photo you can see my brother and me. We are in Portaventura. My brother is very handsome. He is 7 years old. He is very sporty and a bit naughty. My mom. In this photo, my mom has got a necklace made of flowers. She is smiley. She is very pretty. She is 43 years old. She has brown hair and brown eyes. My father. In this photo, you can see my father and me. He is wearing a t-shirt of Athletic Club de Bilbao. He is sporty. He has got brown hair and brown eyes. He is very smiley. He is 46 years old. This was all. I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Very good.